Dear friends, as we know, India is a holy land, and Kumbh Mela is not just a mere festivity like Diwali and Holi, but hold loads of importance for people in India. It enables them to take a holy dip in the pious and holy water and wash away all the sins. It's also believed that taking a holy dip in water paves way for attainment of moksha. In Brahma Puran and Vishnu Puran already mentioned that a person who takes a holy dip during the pious month of Magha at Prayag, Allahabad, got benefits with like the reward of Ashwamedh rituals. It's also said that a number of sons including Nagas and Dandi Swamis visited and observed Kumbh Mela. In our Indian epics also mention that Brahmaji also conducted yajna at Sangam. In Kumbh, we can see all the various sons, sadhus and yogis who come out of their Himalayan caves on this pious occasion. There are many stories about the Kumbh Mela, and the story revolves around the fight between demons and God for the nectar of immortality. To know complete story, read further. When the Kumbh or the pitcher full of Amrit appeared, demons played mischief and ran away. The gods also followed them and fought. It's said that battle went on for 12 human years, and during the war, the drops of Amrit full on fell on the earth at 4 spots, namely Prayag, Allahabad, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nasik, where millions of people come together and celebrated 4 times in every 12 years. And now, in 2013, from 13 January to 27 February, the Bank of Sangam will once again celebrate with our Guruji, Swami Harihar Chaitanya Paramhans Shiriji, the founder of International Anand Yoga Mission, Harihar. Welcome to Kumbh Mela 2013 in Allahabad. In Kumbh Mela, at our camp, various activities take place such as discussion on religious issues and also offering of food, medicines, shelter to all those who are attending the Kumbh Mela at free of cost. Our respected Guruji says that impure becomes pure in the company of sadhus. So please come and join us. People from all walks of life take sannyas finding peace and happiness. They enjoy living in the ashram. They are given donations also. It's also amassed great thought with Anand Yoga and between sadhus that if a sadhu dies before 100 years old, he is not a sadhu. And thanks to meditation or Anand Yoga for this. In our camp, all the devotees get up 4 in the morning, do Anand Yoga, pray calling on the name of Shiva, then bath in the Ma Ganga. During the day, there are other prayers, social services, office works, In the evening, they again remember the god and other daily routines. Our Guruji says that all the man is like a balloon. The color of every balloon is different. It's blue, black, white, but air inside is same. So it's with man. One can beautiful, one can ugly, another can holy, wicked, but the divine reveals in all of them same. It's such an awe-inspiring experience that it will leave an imprint in our mind and will become a lifetime memory. Our Param Pujya Swami Harihar Ji says that when one takes a bath at Sangam during Kumbh Mela, the influence is 1000 times increased. So please come and wash away all the sins. Jai Shri Hari.